for today. It's my dad's birthday. Happy birthday, Pops. Ng Paxio, so we'll get our fish. My dogs. Hi. Got our sibuyas. Bawang. It is. Yes. Let's go. Gutom na ako. It's my paksiw with lettuce na parang sinigang. Sarap, guys. First bite. Kain. Wow. Diba? Walking. Good boy. Good girl. Balik, guys. Hindi na ang kamay ko. Lugi. Sobrang saya, guys, pag nalalabas ko yung mga aso. Guys, lamig ngayon, guys. Look, tingnan niyo so. Yan, winter jacket and then boots and snow pants para tayong mag-snowboard. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa favorite nilang laruan. By the way, itong area na to, guys, is I think for skating, pero di naman nila inaayos. So this is our second agenda. Dogs. So that brown one is Chopper and this is Luffy. By the way, Chopper is turning 2 years old this July, and then si Luffy naman is turning 3 years old. Look. Yung favorite niyang ginagawa sa snow. Nag-enjoy ka, Luffy. Good girl. Ibang saya, guys, pag nakikita niyo yung fur babies niyo na happy. So, basically ganyan lang buhay namin. Our third agenda. Mag-gym muna tayo. I'm gonna use my car. Then magpagas. Kasi hindi pa natin nagagamit to ng how many days. So, dito tayo sa gas station. Pagas muna bago din. May mga gasoline station na sila yung naglalagay, pero mostly self-service siya. And I think this is one of our favorite gas station kasi you don't need to go down na para magpagas. Especially at this weather, it's malamig. Before $20, parang 200 kilometers yung nalalagay. Ngayon, nasa 130. Grabe. Sobrang mahal ng gas ngayon. Maybe 1.5 hour or 1 hour. That one, Planet Fitness. Highly recommended, I guess. Alright, so Tapos ko lang mag-gym. Kanina, bago ako mag-gym, wala pa masyadong snow. And I'll show you guys kung gaano nakadaming snow ngayon. Look, holy smoke. Kanina yung daan, wala pang snow yan. Oh my god. And it's only like an hour nakalipas. Grabe. So ayan nyo guys oh, look at that bro. Ayan guys 153.9. That's crazy. It's only like 5 minutes to drive pa uwi sa amin galing sa gym. Ang vlog ko for maybe for this week. And I'm gonna try to upload ng video ko every week. So please support me on my vlog. Do like my video. Yeah. So God is good all the time. May plano si God sa atin. Alright. It's snow guys. It's snow.